This is Tim and Sarah. They really want to buy a home with a yard for a husky dog, a garden, and a garage for the snow machine. Everyone has told them that a home is a great investment with valuable tax breaks. Everyone except Uncle George. George said he would never buy a house and claims renting is the way to go. That shook Tim and Sarah a little. They never really questioned the wisdom of buying a home. Tim quietly said, "Let's talk to our investment advisor, Josh." "Buying a home may or may not be your best investment," said Josh. "Really?" said Tim and Sarah, nearly in unison. "Because home ownership is not for everyone. You need to be ready financially and emotionally. And you should go into this knowing the home will take upkeep and maintenance. You will need to pay property taxes, insurance, and weed the garden." "I'll weed," said Sarah. "What about strictly from an investment standpoint?" asked Tim, who also made a mental note that Sarah just volunteered to weed forever. "Hard to beat, Tim. Homes in Alaska have appreciated nicely over time. Even while the rest of the country has taken a dip in the last 2 years, our market has stayed remarkably stable. A home investment is long-term, and history will tell you it is a great investment. Even if the home only appreciated 4.5% each year, a $200,000 home is going to appreciate $86,948 over 10 years. That doesn't happen when you are renting. The landlord gets that money. The Federal Reserve has some interesting facts about building wealth with real estate. When you compare the net worth of families that own real estate against families that rent, families that own a home are worth a lot more in every income bracket. "What about maintenance, utilities, and other costs for homeowners?" asked Sarah. "Good question, Sarah. When you add up everything, the cost of home ownership is slightly more than renting. But if you factor in the tax advantages, it is just about a wash. You pay about the same renting or owning, except you build equity in the home as you live there. Unlike a stock investment, your home is a sanctuary, a place to raise kids, something you can take pride in. But again, owning is not for everyone. Some reasons not to buy? If you plan to move or might relocate, you could be forced to sell in a down market. But if you think you are going to stay put for 3 to 6 years, you might as well build some equity. If you don't like gardening, mowing, or home improvement projects, or if you don't have money to hire this work out, you might be better off renting or buying a condo. "And if I like gardening?" asked the ever-positive Sarah. "Then you find a realtor. Take a look at your income and budget and determine how much home you can afford. Don't get in over your head, and keep some savings for repairs, or just in case. I know you are a chart and graphs guy, Tim, so go to www.yournewalaskahome.org and look at the figures on long-term appreciation in Alaska's housing market."